गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में बेटा हम करेंगे क्लास 10 एक्सरसाइज 6.2 फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक बेटा हम पिछली वीडियो में कर चुके हैं। हियर वी विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5? वी आर गिवन अ फिगर. In this figure, DE is parallel to OQ, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. We have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. ठीक है बेटा। अब यहाँ पर सबसे पहले मैं ट्रायंगल POQ लेती हूँ बेटा। In this triangle, if DE is parallel to OQ, then by BPT, PE by EQ will be equal to PD by DO. Equation 1. Now, I will take the triangle POR. Here, DF is parallel to OR, then by BPT, PD by DO will be equal to PF by FR. Now, from 1 and 2, if right hand side of both are equal, then that left hand side will also be equal. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now, we will take the whole triangle PQR. Here, if PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR, then by converse of BPT, EF will be parallel to QR. Question number 6. Here is its figure. ABC are the points on the sides OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. तो बेटा in triangle POQ, if AB is parallel to PQ, then OA by AP will be equal to OB by BQ. Equation 1. Similarly, in triangle POR, if AC is parallel to PR, then OA by AP will be equal to OC by CR from equation 1 and 2. Left hand side of both are equal, then right hand side will also be equal. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now we take this triangle. Here we have proved that OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Then by converse of BPT, BC is parallel to QR. In this single question, both the theorems are used, BPT and also its converse. Now come to question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, that is BPT, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side bisects the third side. What is the statement beta? If a line is drawn from midpoint of one side parallel to another side bisects the third side, we have to prove that. We are given that P is midpoint of AB, PQ is parallel to BC. We have to prove that Q is midpoint of AC. तो बेटा if PQ is parallel to BC, then by BPT, AP by PB will be equal to AQ by QC. Now, since P is midpoint of AB, तो AP by PB ratio will be equal to 1 is equal to AQ by QC. QC उधर जाकर मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो AQ is equal to QC means Q is midpoint of AC. Now, question number 8. Using theorem 6.2, that is converse of BPT, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Now, we are given that P is midpoint of AB, Q is midpoint of AC. We have to prove that BQ is parallel to PQ is parallel to BC. Now, if P is midpoint of AB, then AP is equal to PB. If Q is midpoint of AC, then AQ is equal to QC. Now, सिंस AP इज इक्वल टू PB, तो AP और PB की रेशो 1 आएगी. सिमिलरली AQ इज इक्वल टू QC, तो AQ और QC की रेशो 1 आएगी. अब AP बाय PB भी 1 के इक्वल है, AQ बाय QC भी 1 के इक्वल है, तो इसका मतलब ये बोथ रेशोज आर इक्वल. AP बाय PB इज इक्वल टू AQ बाय QC. देन बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ BPT, PQ इज पैरेलल टू BC. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. We are not given the figure in this question and we have to draw the figure based on this information. ठीक है बेटा. We have a trapezium ABCD. We are given a trapezium ABCD whose diagonals meet at O and AB is parallel to DC. We have to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. तो यहाँ पर बेटा हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी पड़ेगी कि ड्रॉ EQ पैरेलल टू AB. अल्टीमेटली AB DC के पैरेलल है. सॉरी बेटा, हियर Q इज नॉट देयर, O इज देयर. नाउ EO विल बी पैरेलल टू AB and EO will also be parallel to DC. Now we will do its proof. Look at here in triangle ABD ABD. If EO is parallel to AB, then ED by EA will be equal to DO by OB. Here it is by BPT. ठीक है बेटा, यहां पर हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेते हैं तो आ जाएगा EA by DE is equal to BO by DO. Now, since EO is parallel to AB but AB तो DC के parallel है, तो then EO will also be parallel to DC. Now we will take the triangle ADC. Here EO is parallel to DC, then by BPT AE by ED will be equal to AO by OC. Now, from this equation 1 and this equation 2, look here. Right hand side of both are, left hand side of both are equal, then right hand sides will be also be equal. AO by CO will be equal to BO by DO. Can we exchange these two terms? Cross multiplication को exchange कर सकते हैं हम. तो AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, hence proved. Now, question number 10. The diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. We are given in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals meet at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. तो हमें we have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. Construction करेंगे बेटा अब यहाँ पे हम. Draw a line EO parallel to DC through a point E on the side AD. Now look at here, in triangle ADC, if EO is parallel to DC, then AE by ED will be equal to AO by CO. But we are given that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Exchange कर दो इन दोनों टर्म्स को, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से exchange कर सकते हैं हम. AO by CO will be equal to BO by DO. Now AO by CO from equation 1 and 2, AE by ED will be equal to BO by DO. Take their reciprocal. DE by EA is equal to DO by BO. Now beta, hint, in triangle ABD, if DE by EA is equal to DO by BO, then by converse of BPT we can say EO is parallel to AB. Yes, EO is parallel to AB, but by construction EO is parallel to DC. If EO is parallel to AB, also EO is parallel to DC, then ultimately AB will be equal to parallel to DC. AB will be parallel to DC. Hence quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, because if in a quadrilateral one pair of opposite side is parallel, then it is a trapezium. Hence proved. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem you can write in comment section.